Hello! Today in front of us is the premium integrated motorhome HYMER BMC i680. The entrance door area is well thought out for everyday use. There are convenient hooks for jackets or small items, blackout blinds. This is especially useful in summer when you want to keep the door open, let fresh air inside, and still protect the living area from insects. As we step inside, we immediately enter the spacious front living area. The driver's seat looks very comfortable, with a good seating position for long journeys. In front of the driver, there is a multifunction steering wheel, a large multimedia screen, cup holders, and a quality audio system with speakers. On the passenger side, there is a comfortable armrest and a practical small storage compartment. Under the front drop-down bed, we can see LED lighting and separate reading lights. In the evening, this soft lighting creates a very cozy atmosphere inside the motorhome. The dining area is designed to comfortably seat 4 passengers. There are comfortable seats, a large table, and a pleasant seating position. The windows are equipped with mosquito screens and blackout blinds, so you can easily control the light and privacy inside the motorhome. Above the dining area, there is a spacious overhead cabinet. The Truma heating control is also hidden here. Easy to access, but neatly integrated into the interior. Above the lounge, there is a large panoramic roof light with a mosquito screen and blackout blind. It brings in plenty of natural light and makes the interior feel even more open. Now we move to the kitchen. The upper cabinet here is large, with a beautiful glossy exterior finish. The working area looks very neat and modern. The kitchen is equipped with a 3-burner gas hob, which is a proper solution for real travel. Here you can make much more than just coffee or breakfast. You can easily prepare a full meal for the whole family. Next to it, there is a large round sink and a stylish black tap. This combination looks very modern and fits perfectly with the overall interior design. The lower drawer is rated for 15 kilograms, and all drawers close softly with a smooth, soft-close mechanism. There is also a hidden double drawer for spoons, forks, and other kitchen essentials. You can immediately feel the German approach here: clean lines, high-quality construction, and the image of a true motorhome. Next, we have a separate shower cabin. This is a big advantage in a motorhome of this class, because the shower is not combined with the toilet. The cabin closes with transparent doors, and inside there is a shower tray with 2 drains. The finish is done in a gray marble-style design, while the black fittings and LED lighting make the shower area look premium and very modern. Now we move into the sleeping area. Here too, there are many practical solutions. Storage drawers are built into the steps, and one of the step compartments provides access to the rear garage. Under the left bed, there is a large storage drawer with a hanger holder. It opens not only from the front, but also from the top, making it very convenient to use. Under the right bed, there is a deep storage drawer with lighting. This is very practical when traveling, especially when you need to find something quickly in the evening or at night. In the upper part of the sleeping area, there are soft, close overhead cabinets. They are placed on the left and right sides, as well as above the headboard, so the space is used very efficiently. In this area, you can really feel that HYMER was designed not just for sleeping overnight, but for comfortable living while traveling. There is enough space here to change clothes calmly, organize personal belongings, and move around without feeling cramped. Every detail works for convenience. Storage can be accessed from different sides, the passage remains free, and the bedroom itself feels like a separate, quiet part of the motorhome. Thanks to the side windows and the large roof light above, there is plenty of natural light during the day. In the evening, you can close the blinds completely and create a calmer, more relaxing atmosphere. It is especially nice that the lighting can be used in different ways. You can switch on soft ambient light, leave only the local reading light, or create a warmer and cozier mood before going to sleep. Now we move to the bathroom area. This zone can be completely separated from the front part of the motorhome by a door, creating an almost private room inside. Here we have a large panoramic roof light, hooks, a mirror, a black tap, and a large wash basin. The toilet is swivel-mounted, which helps make better use of the available space. On the door, there is a mirror and 2 hooks. For storage, there are lower drawers for toiletries, as well as a flat upper cabinet with 2 doors and rubber holders. There is also a round mirror and a large drawer under the wash basin. Everything looks neat and very well designed for life on the road. What I like here is the balance between comfort and practicality. Everything is compact, but it does not feel basic or temporary. You have a proper private hygiene zone, good lighting, useful ventilation, and enough space to use it comfortably every day. This is exactly the kind of layout that makes a long trip easier. You do not have to depend on campsite facilities all the time, and the interior still feels clean, organized, and premium. Returning to the kitchen area, we see a large 150-liter refrigerator with an integrated freezer compartment, shelves on the doors, and a lower drawer for vegetables. For a family or a long journey, this capacity is very important. You can take more food with you and stop at shops less often. Under the refrigerator, there is another large pull-out drawer. Above the entrance door, there is the main control panel for the motorhome. Next to it, there is a practical cabinet with rubber holders, entrance hooks, and additional shelves. Under the passenger seats, there is a large pull-out drawer, and near the entrance, there is another small storage compartment under the seat. In this HYMER, you can clearly see that every free space has been used as efficiently as possible. And of course, an important detail is the front drop-down bed. Its size is 195 by 145 centimeters, or approximately 77 by 57 inches, which makes it a proper sleeping place for 2 people. During the day, it hardly takes up any space, and in the evening, it quickly turns the front living area into a comfortable additional bedroom. Now, let's take a closer look at the main specifications of this HYMER B-MCI 680. Technically, this is a serious integrated motorhome built for long-distance travel and comfortable life on the road. The base vehicle is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, one of the most respected platforms in the premium motorhome segment. This version comes with a 2.0-liter diesel engine producing 170 horsepower, paired with an automatic gearbox. For a large motorhome, this combination makes driving smoother and more relaxed. In terms of size, this is a full-size touring motorhome. The length is 7.39 meters, the width is 2.29 meters, and the height is 2.98 meters. Inside, the standing height is 1.98 meters, so the living area feels open and comfortable. Depending on the homologation, the gross vehicle weight can be 3,500 or 4,430 kilograms, so it is important to choose the right version for your license and payload needs. The layout is designed for 4 travel seats and 4 sleeping places. At the front, there is a drop-down bed measuring 195 by 145 centimeters, while the rear has 2 separate beds, 200 by 84 centimeters and 188 by 84 centimeters. This is a practical setup for couples or families. For heating and hot water, this motorhome uses the Truma Combi 6E system. It provides 6 kilowatts of heating power, includes a 10-liter boiler, and has an 1,800-watt electric heating element. This makes the HYMER suitable not only for summer trips, but also for colder seasons. The water system is ready for real autonomy. The freshwater tank holds 180 liters, and the wastewater tank holds 150 liters. Both tanks are insulated and heated, which is a big advantage for cooler weather and longer independent stops. The equipment level is very strong. This HYMER comes with premium full LED headlights, cruise control, Thermotronic automatic climate control, Distronic Plus active distance assist, lane keeping assist, attention assist, rain sensor, and traffic sign assist. These systems make every journey safer. Overall, the HYMER B-MC1680 combines a strong Mercedes-Benz base, a comfortable 4-berth layout, large heated water tanks, advanced driver assistance systems, and a premium living atmosphere for real long-distance travel.